Sorry, couldn't help myself. I'm gonna probably take that amp out. I need more power. More power. Gonna go with my emergency box. Same one I got in the Alero. I try to put that right now. It's a badass subwoofer, but it's not enough cone area. Oh, it's December, like the 16th or something. I don't know what the hell. It's hot as hell out here. Alright, like 5 minutes later, I decided to do this shit. Cut some pieces of wood. Comes out to the edge. Alright, now we're making progress. So I can slide the box up there and lift it all the way to the top. Yeah. Alright.